There are several ways to improve your English reading skills. 1. Read regularly. The more you read, the better your reading skills will become. Make it a habit to read something in English every day, whether it's a book, a newspaper, or an article online. Read different genres and don't limit yourself to one type of reading material. Try to read a variety of genres, such as fiction, non-fiction, news articles, and academic texts. This will expose you to different styles of writing and help you develop a wider range of reading skills. 2. Focus on comprehension. Don't just try to read quickly, but make sure you understand what you're reading. If you come across a word you don't know, look it up in a dictionary. Understanding what you're reading is crucial to improving your English reading skills. Don't be afraid to slow down and take your time to ensure comprehension. If you're struggling with a particular text, try breaking it down into smaller chunks and reading each section more slowly. You can also try summarizing what you've just read to make sure you've understood it correctly. 3. Choose appropriate material. If you're a beginner, don't try to read complex novels or academic texts. Start with easier material and work your way up as you improve. As a beginner, it's important to start with easier material such as children's books, graded readers, or simplified news articles. As you become more comfortable with reading in English, you can gradually move on to more complex material, such as novels, academic texts, and longer articles. It's important to choose reading material that is at an appropriate level for your current reading skills. This will help you build confidence and gradually expand your vocabulary and understanding of grammar and sentence structures. There are many resources available for learners of different levels, such as graded readers or news articles written for language learners. When selecting material to read, consider your interests and hobbies. If you enjoy sports, read articles about sports events or biographies of athletes. If you love cooking, find English language recipes and cooking blogs. Reading material that you find engaging and interesting will make the process more enjoyable and motivating. It's also important to choose material that matches your level of proficiency. Don't try to read something that is too difficult, as this can be frustrating and demotivating. Instead, choose material that is just challenging enough to keep you engaged and help you improve. 4. Read out loud. Reading out loud can help improve your pronunciation and comprehension, help you hear and feel the language, and improve your ability to understand and speak it. It also helps you practice your pronunciation and develop your fluency. So, if you can, try reading out loud, even if it's just for a few minutes a day. When reading out loud, try to focus on proper intonation, stress, and rhythm. Pay attention to how the words are pronounced and try to mimic the sound. If you come across a word or phrase that you're not sure how to pronounce, look it up in a dictionary or use an online pronunciation tool. You can also practice reading out loud with a partner or in a group setting. This can help you receive feedback on your pronunciation and comprehension from others, and can also make reading more enjoyable and engaging. 5. Take notes. If you're reading a book or article for a specific purpose, take notes to help you remember important details. These notes can include summaries of each chapter or section, important dates or events, and key vocabulary words. Taking notes can also help you stay engaged with the material and retain the information better. You can also use different colors or symbols to highlight important information or concepts. Additionally, writing notes in your own words can help you better understand the material and remember it later. Adding to that, you can also try to organize your notes in a way that makes sense to you, such as creating a mind map or using bullet points. This will make it easier to review the material later on and remember important details. Another tip is to write down any questions or doubts you may have while reading, so you can go back and clarify them later on. This will help you better understand the material and improve your comprehension skills. 6. Join a book club or discussion group. Joining a group of people who are also reading and discussing the same material can be helpful in improving your reading skills and comprehension. It could be a great way to practice your reading skills and improve your comprehension. Being part of a group can give you the opportunity to discuss the book or article with others, ask questions, and share insights. This can help you to better understand the material, get different perspectives on the content, and even discover new ways of thinking. Additionally, participating in a discussion group can help you to stay motivated and committed to your reading goals. You can join a local group in your community or even participate in online discussion groups. 7. Use online resources. There are many online resources available that can help you improve your reading skills, such as websites with reading comprehension exercises or apps that track your reading progress. Some websites offer free reading comprehension exercises, which can help you practice understanding what you're reading. There are also websites that offer graded reading materials, so you can choose materials appropriate to your level. There are apps available that track your reading progress, such as how many words you've read and how long it took you to read a certain amount of material. These resources can help you track your progress and motivate you to continue reading.